almost impossible to talk because it's so windy outside, and I've just renewed my nails. And first, I've been out today 2 hours ago, and it was warmer than it is now. I got my natural nails back. Sorry, it's not possible to talk during this wind. I'm sitting on the bench inside our neighborhood, and I'm just enjoying the fresh air, the trees which are already green, all green. I'm sitting not under the sun. Moreover, there is nobody around me, no children, no adults. I don't want to stay in because in the house inside our apartment is rather hot, and of course I can switch on the AC, but the AC is working so strong and I'm afraid I can get cold my ears. I'm rather behaving like a grandma, an old lady. Please close the window, please switch off the AC, I'm cold. I want to drink something, but I don't know what to take because in the nearby coffee shop they make not good coffee, and the prices went high there, so it's expensive and not tasty at all. And here I need a book and something to drink, and I left my book at home because I have already read today for 2 hours. I couldn't stop reading because the book is so interesting. Have arrived to the beautiful embankment of Volga River, and it's really fantastic view, but I'm honestly can wait a second, I honestly can't get out of the car because there are a lot of bugs flying around.
На улице летают большие жуки. Полина потом, может быть, переведет. Вот их тут немножко видно было. Она их боится просто очень сильно. И, наверное, она сейчас рассказывает то же самое. Да.
He doesn't afraid these bugs, but they are really huge. You see, mountains, river, and bugs all over the place. Bugs. No, I can't go out. Пипец. I took some картофель. Okay guys, there on the top of the neighbor's balcony there is a dreadful picture, actually very dreadful. I'm not going to show you. There is a dead pigeon, you know, dead pigeon, and now I called specialists just to come and take it off, but they couldn't find it, and I actually don't understand how they couldn't find the exit out of the attic. There is a window and you can get out and take this dead pigeon from the balcony, top of the balcony. But they can't find the exit right now, and they are working on it. Ah, I see. Okay, they took it off. So now you can see the top of the balcony. Here was a dead pigeon. Guys, look what I've got here. This is strawberries, and this is the first time this year when I take strawberries, when I buy them. Usually I do it in May and in the beginning of June. They are perfect, but in April I have probably never never bought. So this time I will try them immediately after a lesson. It's rather big and too red, so I think it's sweet, but I'm not going to try it right now. Wish me, guys, that it will be sweet enough. Today it's raining a little bit. I'm going to show you right now. I like such weather, and by the way, it smells like greenish. It smells with wet greens, wet grass, wet trees. I like this weather. Somebody doesn't like, for example, Nikita doesn't like when it's raining, but I just adore such weather. So this is my fruit mix for lunch. I don't want to eat any heavy food, you know, so just fresh fruit. And I've already tested the strawberry. It's really sweet and really good for first strawberry this year. So yes, I'm going to watch some vlog and then relax a little bit, and then I've got one more lesson offline, so I'm going to my student, and then I've got online lesson when I will return home. I'm already at home now, guys, and I'm making our dinner. I will eat it first because I'm already at home, and Nikita will eat it later. Sorry for the noise, it's my kettle. So I'm cooking something which is called manti, and they are homemade by Nikita's grandma. So I just fry them for 2 or 3 minutes just to get them a little bit fried. You add water here and close it with the lid and cook it for 20 or 30 minutes. Just in the middle of the day of Friday, I decided to take a bath, so I'm putting it in my warm water. Today the color is blue, just the same as my mood today, because I had some issue in the morning. I will tell you later, so I need to take a bath immediately. Usually I take bath in the darkness because I like to relax without light. I hope my hair would not become of blue color because the water is blue, so I hope my hair will stay blonde. just got out from the lesson from my student, and I just can't stop admiring these beautiful flowers. Look, and moreover they smell. I'm going to get taxi from this point, from this spot. It's like not a big offices and shops center.